Hello, I'm Dr. Estelle Cheng, founder of Exceptional Smile. I've been in practice for more than 26 years. My staff and I have been constantly undergoing continuing education to ensure that we are using the most cutting-edge technology and equipment for all your needs. Just as important as our doctors, many of the friendly staff and front desk have been with us for over a decade. They are trained to meet your dental needs and help to maximize your dental insurance coverage. Our procedures include cosmetic veneers, crown and bridge, root canal, Invisalign, laser dentistry, implants, partial and complete denture, wisdom teeth extractions, and many more. The next time you are choosing a dentist, let us be your first choice. Your well-being is our utmost concern.